You guys know him really? No, you did. T.I. will be signing copies of his book tonight. Go see him. Really, go see me. Go just go see me down. Well, I'm glad to say that. Nothing worse than
that old Chris Rock joke.
Listen, let's go. Forget that joke. You want to hide your money, get T.I.'s book. You can hide it in there. We won't care, right? Now, the way you use it as a safe, go ahead. T.I.'s right. A lot of people show up to signing. I know, I wrote
Yeah, they want you to sign something there on your
guy hands me a magazine, and I'm like, hey, get the fuck out of here.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, I'm glad you want them. T.I. will be signing copies of your book tonight at 6 o'clock at the Human Bookstore at 2319 Pleasant Boulevard, New York City. Thursday night at 7 o'clock at the Books A Million in Peachtree City, Georgia. Go over and say hello on October 26th at 7 p.m. at Barnes & Noble in Santa Monica, California. Great seeing you. I'm glad everything's worked out for you. I really appreciate it. And we'll have you. Best of luck with everything. And we'll be back right after these words. Howard Stern. Larry Sanders Show. You do this, that isn't the same affectation, that isn't the same as mine. Hey now! There, he just said it again, and, I asked you not to say it. I can't say it off stage. It doesn't even exist. Use me now in a sentence, right? Hey now, that was real funny. You know what, Hank? It's not even in the dictionary, Hank. Okay, this is how I use hey now in a sentence, okay? You say, and of course, my sidekick Hank. And of course, my sidekick Hank. Hey now.